Not all pedestals are created equal. Introducing the DTA Boss Pedestal range. Not only are they lightweight and extremely strong, they also give you easy access to under-tile membranes and the ability to run pipework and services underneath your tiles. Plus, they're super easy to install. Here's how. Here, we've got a high-rise balcony with our waterproof membrane down. This project has a fall of 2% to the drain from all externals. Start by calculating the area to be tiled to determine how many pedestals are required for the job. Pedestals will need to be placed as shown. An additional center pedestal can be used for extra support if required. First, install a rubber pad to protect the membrane and substrate. Then, adjust the slope corrector to 2% to match the fall of the balcony. This allows the pedestal to remain vertical. Place the slope corrector in the corner of the balcony. Place the pedestal on top of the slope corrector and adjust it to the desired height. For this installation, we will be using wind clips to help reduce tile uplift. Install a wind clip onto the corner pedestal. The wind clip should clip onto the pedestal head and lock into place. Then secure with the screw and washer. Follow these same steps to install the pedestal on each corner, snapping 2 tabs off the spaces where required. Check the level of the pedestals with a spirit level. Then use the locking ring to lock it into place. Then simply apply Ardex CA20P adhesive to the wind clips and place your tile on top. Check the level of your tile. Repeat this process as you lay each tile and you'll be done in no time. And if you're creating an outdoor space that requires steps, creating that step can be done using the vertical closures. Vertical closures are installed on the stair riser and the deck ends to enclose the platform. First, install a rubber pad. Then, flip the pedestal and cut along the guideline to fit the edge. For corners, cut 2 sides for a better fit. Fit the vertical closure bottom to the pedestal. For the corner, use 2 vertical closures, then place the pedestal on the rubber pad. Insert a spacer and snap off 2 tabs. For the corner, no spacer is required. And then your vertical tile can easily slide into place. Place the vertical closure top over the spacer. For the corner pedestal, install the 2 vertical closure tops and secure in place using a screw. Place a shim on top of the vertical closure top and install the tile on top. Complete this same process for all your sides and you're done. That's how easy it is to create a beautiful outdoor space using DTA Boss Pedestals.